When you inherit a home, you inherit a valuable asset, but you also inherit extra responsibility, including financial matters that you'll have to deal with. One of those matters could be capital gains taxes, which you will have to pay on any appreciation in the value of the home, but only on the appreciation. So let's talk about how selling an inherited home quickly for cash can take those capital gains taxes off the table. When it comes to inherited properties, the IRS uses what's called a step-up in basis. What this means is that you are taxed based on the property's value at the time of its inheritance, not on the difference between its current value and what it was originally purchased for. So let's say your parents or grandparents bought a home decades ago for $100,000. But when you inherit it, that home is now worth $400,000. If you had to pay capital gains tax on the difference between the home's original purchase price and its current value, that would be a hefty tax bill. But you don't. As far as the IRS is concerned, when you inherit a home, you are starting from zero. If you sell that home for its current $400,000 value, you pay nothing in capital gains tax. But what happens if the home you inherited rises in value? Well, you're still starting from zero, or in the case of our example, at $400,000. But if that home rises to, say, $500,000, you will have to pay capital gains on the $100,000 difference when you sell. So what? You might think, it's still more money. And you're right. If the home rises in value, you will still lose only a portion of that increased value when you sell. But the thing is, selling a home at a higher price point isn't just about waiting for that home to increase in value, especially if the home is overvalued for the condition it's in. If the home needs repairs or updates, you may need to invest a substantial amount of money to get it ready for the traditional home market. And once it's on that market, a sale can take weeks or months with additional time for closing. So it's not just a matter of waiting for the home's value to rise and pocketing a little extra cash. You may end up spending more money than the extra money you make. If you want to sell your inherited home quickly, without the work, the waiting, and the potential tax liability, selling for cash might be the answer you're looking for. We'll buy your property as is. No repairs, no staging, no waiting for inspections or financing to come through. We'll make you a fair cash offer based on the property's current value, and if you accept our offer, we can close in as little as a few days. It's the fastest way to sell and avoid the hassle and the taxes. Our cash offer is no obligation. So, what do you have to lose?